Hi, this is Steve Mackay, Dean of Engineering at the Engineering Institute of Technology. I just want to briefly tell you what the benefits for you are in undertaking a bachelor degree and indeed a master degree through Engineering Institute of Technology. Very briefly. First point, our units are practical, industry focused. We really want you to leave the program being able to work immediately in industry. The instructors absolutely focused on industry. They work in industry. They often have 20, 30 years experience in industry, so they know what they're talking about. They're passionate about engineering and they're committed to helping you get through. The programs are truly online, not a few videos here and there, but a highly interactive online experience with remote labs you can log into. That's really important that it is truly online. Quality accreditation systems, not only from the Australian government, but also from other people around the world, recognition such as the ISA, International Society of Automation in the States. There's a continuous pathway from, for example, a trades certificate all the way up through to diploma, advanced diploma, which we offer, bachelor degree, and then finally master degree. Reputation, having trained over 500,000 students over the last 25 years through our sister college, IDC Technologies, we're very committed to providing the highest possible experience, so we have a very good reputation. Value for money, we believe we give you very good value for money. We try and cut our costs to make them as affordable for you. We know how difficult it is when you're financing the courses. We have a worldwide reach. We have students from the States, UK, Australia, in fact from 120 countries around the world. We provide you with an electronic supporting library, so we have a comprehensive set of journals, all accessed electronically. And finally, one of our secret weapons, we have a dedicated learning coordinator to work with you to get you through the program. And that results in low attrition rates. That's all from me, Steve Mackay, Engineering Institute of Technology. Thank you very much.